Thank you very much. A very warm greeting to all of you. First, I would like to request our kids to please settle down because we are going to have a long program. Teachers, please help them. Once again, a warmly welcome to everyone. That includes our distinguished guests, our chairman sir and ma'am, our teachers, and of course our dear students. On the eve of this Independence Day, I'm really delighted to look at the arrangement and preparation done by our teachers and students. The hallmark of our identity as Indian is the life that sums up everything. That is unity in diversity. We live in a land of diverse culture, religion, language, where approximately 325 spoken languages are there. Still, we live in the harmony with the people from different religion backgrounds, and all the festivals are celebrated with great zeal and show. In fact, in our country, people from all religion, ethics, and cultural background are given a warm welcome, and hence the saying that goes, Atithi Devo Bhava. While involving in a gross cultural dialogue, we never forget our own Indian tradition and value and keep them intact. In fact, today is our 72nd Independence Day, means in the last 71 years, our country has emerged as one of the largest democracies in the world.